What is emails? Last update on July 23. So, email stand computer medicated communications. Emails have become one of the fastest and most economical form of communications. In this article, we are going to learn about email, its history, advantages, and disadvantages. What is email? History of email, structure of email, working of email, types of email. Email stands for the electronic mail. It is used to send and receive computer stored message via internet. Email generally encoded in American Standard Code for the information interchange. Generally, an email is a message that may contain text files, images, or other achievements sent through the computer network, individual or group of individuals. History of email. The email services are far older than ARPANET and Internet email developer 1960 able to share message with the other user for the same computers. In 1971, Rhythm Ellison was the first to send mail between two computers by adding a cabinet. Emails use multiple account protocols within the TCP. You can talk about process limit of the email extended the best publics allowed Flutter SDK. Message involve message editors. It contains useful data for the recipient. Working of emails. Every domain that is registered on the internet comprises an email server that handles all email address for that domain. The name followed by the @domain is the name of the domain. Thus, an email may be delivered to a user by resolving the IP address for domain over the internet using DNS system and then transferring email to recipient at that domain using standard SMTP. Each email system should contain an array of components that make the system cohesive and allow it to perform its many duties. Mail user agent. These are offline or web-based clients like Yahoo, Google, or Outlook that allow users to read, create, and send emails. Mail transparent agent. It's the software that accepts the mail from the UA, performs routing functions till the mail reaches its destinations. Mail delivery agent. It performs the various functions like filtering spams, emails, virus scanning, etc. MPS, the one that generate failures messages in the case of any errors. Mail access agents MA used to restore the emails on servers. Cortex when the user is offline, these mails are stored on remote servers like Yahoo, Mail, Outlook, etc. Mail submission agent it acts as the additional layers of filter to facilitate the notice almost of types of email. Onboarding emails. This is the email that user receives immediately after phishing. These emails are sent to the buyer to familiarize and educate them on the use of product. It also contains details on the journey in the new organizations. Newsletter email. The newsletter is the most common type of email which are regularly sent to all mailing list subscribers, whatever daily, weekly, or monthly. These emails often contain links from the blog or selected content that has recently been published. Typically, newsletter emails are sent on consistent schedules and provide the business with the ability to deliver important information to their customer through a single source. Promotion emails these offer some sort of the buyers like a percentage of a purchase price in a month of free services or discounted rate for the managed services. This is the most common type of B2B emails. Plain text email. Plain text email contain only plain text similar to other text message services. They do not include images, videos, documents, graphics, or attachments. These emails are also used to send random chats like other text messaging services. Uses of email. Email can be used for the various purposes. Can be used for the communicate with organizations. Um, it provides flexibility in communications. It is a personal way to communicate. Email is also used in newsletter to send advertisement, promotions, and various other content. Advantages of emails: easy and fast. Composing email is very simple and one of the fastest way to communicate. It has a minimal latency and can be traded quickly. Cost effective. Email is very convenient service for the communication with others. Several email services are available for free to individual organizations. Mass communications. Email can be used to communicate with a large number of people. Environment friendly. The most important advantages of email that is paperless. There is no requirement for pages, pens, or cardboard boxes. Global reach. Email can remove social and geographical distance by removing status signals. Schedule delivery. User can schedule the delivery of emails. Can also automate the replies to emails. Multimedia. Multimedia emails for photos, videos, and various type of files can be shared easily with multiple people through single emails and delivered instantly. Also, cloud storage. It can be permanently saved in the mailbox. All details, including the time and list of the recipients who received the message, can be saved and sorted if necessary by emails. Disadvantages of mails. Malicious use. An anonymous user can send an email if he has email address. The email attachment feature is the main advantages. The main advantage: hackers can send viruses via emails because something the spam feature is unable to classify suspicious emails. Email is the one of the most common way to infiltrate viruses in device. The email contain a virus or virus may be attached document. Infected emails may come from an anonymous source or appears to be friend and trusted contact. On clicking the emails and attached document, the virus enter the system and start infecting it. Time consuming responding to email is quite and cumbersome process and takes more time in comparison to various other messaging applications like Skype, WhatsApp. It is email is a good source of communication. Mm, Kuldeep Rana.